What's going on, guys? We are here at, honestly, one of the most amazing mini ramps I think I've ever seen. It is beautiful. It's a Keen Ramps mini ramp, and it belongs to the wonderful, the one and only, there's only one of him,
Jeff.
So we're here with Jeff, and this is his...
Here we go again.
Yeah, we're one more Jeff video. We're here with Jeff on his Keen Ramps mini ramp. You built this yourself, huh? Like they
sent me the things, and then I built the things that they sent me.
Yeah.
I put it together.
Was it difficult?
No, it took like 5 hours, but that's not that bad.
Yeah, for a mini ramp?
Yeah,
no, that's awesome. Yeah, honestly, this is, I love the size of it. It's perfect. It's, what is this, like 4 feet? 3?
I think this is 3 feet. This is a 3 foot turn.
It's beautiful. It's really smooth. It looks amazing.
You're beautiful and smooth.
Wow! So yeah, this is honestly one of the most perfect mini ramps I've ever seen, and I'm really excited to skate it, so. Will you skate it with me, Samuel?
I'll do like an axle stall.
That's all I ask of thee. Now we're gonna skate. Oh. Yeah, Jeff.
I'm Jeff. Ah.
Wow, that was weird. Oh, I missed. So that's cool. Oh! I don't know what's happening.
Oh my god.
Hi. That was awesome.
Oh! Well, I tried a Christ here. It didn't work though. You like in Arizona, you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
What ballot? That's my boy.
Ah! I messed that up. Real bad. Oh, that was even worse.
Can you do that again for my story?
Yeah. We're gonna do one more, and Sam's gonna hold the board while filming the board. That's beautiful.
Do I look good? I look great, right?
Oh! Oh!
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I was looking at the phone screen. I'll not mess it up this time. Oh my god.
Dude, you almost died.
Oh my god.
Been working on this new special trick. Let's see if I can get it. See if I can do it here. See if I can do one more. Oh! Oh!
gave up. I gave up.
Dude, that was amazing. Sam's first time front 50ing on his ramp. That was awesome. You did that really quick too.
Thanks.
Whoa, now he's exerting his male dominance upon me. I got your back right here.
Oh my god.
Oh. Alright, so I'm going to try the double board drop-in. Probably not a good idea, but I don't have any good ones anyway. So we're going to do this. Thank you, Nanashi, for letting me use your board. I will hopefully not destroy it with my incapableness. Oh, this is kind of scary, actually. Oh, okay. Oh! Oh! Ta-da! Alright, so we're pretty tired. We've been skating all day and it's almost dark, so just to end it, I'm gonna see if I can do 5 blunt flips in a row, because why not? Because I'm so alone. I was really hoping I didn't miss that one. I'm so tired.
Oh my gosh, you made it to 9.
I'm so tired. Alright, so we're done skating here. We're really tired, but honestly, this ramp is amazing. It's perfect. Thank you, Keen Ramps, and thank you, Samuel Tabor. There's Samuel. What a guy. Also, if you want a beautiful little creature named Samuel Tabor upon your screen, subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. And you can please your eyeballs with wonderful goodness that will be absorbed into them, go straight up to your brain, and it'll release a bunch of chemicals that'll make you feel good. And we like to feel good, so if you want to feel good, do all the things I just said. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want more videos. I put them out here on my channel every week. So if you like the scary things that you saw and you like to be scared, feel free to be scared more by the rest of my videos. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye. One,